what I wish to say is that Maubina and Ceylon Today are garbage papers that are fit only for wiping one's backside. They are very, very different from, they are not in the habit of writing the truth. If they are really interested in writing about scandals, I challenge them to write about the 2005 year bribery of the LTT to prevent the Tamil people from voting and robbing the Tamil people of their franchise. Instead, they have been writing about my daughter's quarantine. My daughter went through quarantine, came with a certificate signed by Shavendra De Silva and Anil Jasinga. Both of them said in that certificate that my daughter had completed her quarantine process. And despite that certificate, these people, these jokers at Ceylon Today, wrote this story that she had come without undergoing quarantine, despite the certificate saying that she had completed her quarantine. And I wrote a reply, and I was told that the chairman had given the article to the editor from somewhere, and therefore the editor could not publish a correction. That's the level of that newspaper. It's a dirty newspaper. I say that again and again. It needs to be only made more dirty by using it as toilet paper. And now the news stories has been started. And also they said that I'm corrupt and that I had used my office car improperly. Whereas the Election Commission has a written minute asking me to use the Jaffna car or the Kilinochchi car because I cannot, in the middle of this COVID, travel by bus, which is what I normally do, right? And they are refusing to publish that. The chairman and the commission together have issued a correction explaining the true circumstances, not published, right? This is the kind of garbage they feed the public with. And if you read these newspapers, you will surely vote the wrong way. You will vote the wrong way because you are going to be fed on total lies. And now today's thing, it's even worse, right? I don't know what to say. What I told the TV station, Dan TV, is that you should not vote for people who lie, bad people. And that is the March 12th principles. There is something called the March 12th movement. Its basic principle is not to vote for those who are drug dealers, who trade in liquor, who trade with prostitutes, with drugs and all that. And their principle is you don't vote for people like that. And that principle has been underscored, endorsed by the Election Commission. All of us attended their meeting or inaugural meeting 2 years ago at BMICH, and these principles are enunciated. I am merely repeating Commission policy. Don't vote for bad people. Choose carefully, think carefully, vote for good people. If Maubina or Ceylon Today endorses a candidate, you can be sure that it's a bad candidate. So don't vote for that person. And moreover, they what else did they say today? That I said something about the garbage Sinhalese language or something. What I said is that I do not, it's easy to target me because I do not speak or read the Sinhalese language, right? And that way I cannot read the garbage they write because they write in Sinhalese very often. So I cannot read the garbage they write. I never call the Sinhalese language a garbage thing. This is how they poison the minds of people. They are making people think that I'm a crook, that I go around violate. They even say that I took my daughter to the commission so that everyone will get COVID and the elections can be postponed. And that's their intellectual level. These are crooked politicians. Don't vote for them. I'm telling you, they are crooked politicians. March 12th principles endorsed by the commission. Do not vote for such people. Choose your representatives carefully. Choose representatives you can be proud of. Choose upright people, honest people who can truly reflect your thinking. Thank you.